RPA, a revolutionizing healthcare and patient care. Are you ready to explore how robotic process automation, RPA, is transforming the healthcare industry and enhancing patient care? In this video, we will delve into the world of RPA and its impact on advancing healthcare services and improving patient outcomes. Let's take a closer look at how this cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing the way healthcare professionals operate and deliver top-notch care to patients. Introduction to RPA in healthcare. In recent years, RPA has gained traction in various industries, including healthcare. RPA refers to the use of software, robots, or artificial intelligence to automate repetitive tasks and streamline processes. In the healthcare sector, RPA is being utilized to handle administrative tasks, data entry, appointment scheduling, claims processing, and much more. By automating these routine tasks, healthcare providers can focus more on delivering quality care to patients and improving overall efficiency. Benefits of RPA in healthcare: improved efficiency. RPA software robots can work around the clock without the need for breaks, resulting in faster and more efficient processes. Enhanced accuracy. By reducing the risk of human error, RPA helps ensure that patient data and records are accurately maintained. Cost savings. Automating tasks with RPA can lead to significant cost savings for healthcare organizations by reducing the need for manual labor. Better patient care. With administrative tasks streamlined, healthcare professionals can dedicate more time to patient care, leading to improved outcomes and satisfaction. RPA applications in patient care. Appointment scheduling. RPA can automate the appointment scheduling process, sending reminders to patients and updating availability in real time. Claims processing. RPA can expedite claims processing by verifying patient information, checking insurance coverage, and submitting claims to payers. Data entry. RPA can streamline data entry tasks, ensuring that patient records are accurate and up to date. Remote monitoring. RPA can monitor patient health metrics remotely, alerting healthcare providers of any concerning changes. Case study: RPA in action. A healthcare provider that has successfully implemented RPA is XYZ Hospital. By deploying RPA bots to handle appointment scheduling, XYZ Hospital has reduced wait times for patients and improved staff productivity. The RPA bots work seamlessly with the existing systems, ensuring a smooth transition and minimal disruption to operations. Future outlook of RPA in healthcare. As technology continues to advance, the future of RPA in healthcare looks promising. With the potential to automate a wide range of tasks, from medical billing to telemedicine, RPA is poised to revolutionize the way healthcare is delivered. By leveraging RPA technology, healthcare organizations can optimize processes, reduce costs, and ultimately provide better care to patients. In conclusion, RPA is changing the landscape of healthcare by streamlining processes, improving efficiency, and enhancing patient care. As more healthcare providers adopt RPA solutions, we can expect to see continued advancements in how healthcare services are delivered. Embracing RPA technology is key to staying ahead in the ever-evolving healthcare industry. Thank you very much for watching your video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.